Hello everyone, welcome to SGM Creations and Tutorial. Here is my project. This is a palm leaves for the Palm Sunday, and it is attached to the green cross. The cross is made from an empty tubes of the kitchen rolls, folded it and wrap around with a green satin ribbon. And the leaves is made from the recycled green bottles of apple juice. I have here, I will show you the green bottles is coming from this tasty drink, Ramsayer Shurade Most Said Ready for Me. This is a product of Switzerland from Dinner Supermarket. We use this every day for our drinks. And I recycle the plastic bottles. And here is my project. Since we don't have a palm leaves here in the Swiss, so I get an idea to recycle these plastic bottles so that I can create a unique, beautiful project for the Palm Sunday. So this is my green cross with an artificial leaves. Look at here, this is artificial leaves. So you can check my video tutorial. Just watch this video, and next video is coming up for the video tutorial so that you will learn how I created this palm leaves, so that in the future you can make it the same as this. So thank you for watching, and please give a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, if you like my project, and consider subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, so that you will be updated with all my new projects and video tutorials. I am uploading my videos every day, so don't miss it, so that you will be updated and you can find all my projects. I will share to all of you my ideas and my skills on how to recycle plastic waste and transform into a unique and beautiful project, so that we can minimize our garbage and let us help solve the global problem for the plastic waste, because it's scattered everywhere. So let us keep our environment clean by recycling the plastic bottles. So thank you, and wish you everyone a blessed Palm Sunday and a blessed, peaceful Lenten season. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao! Maraming salamat!